Okay, so earlier we did this. In our previous lesson, we did this. And this is actually hard coding, meaning all the values are actually being put in the program itself. Alright. Now, we are going to change a bit. We are going to ask the user, okay, we are going to ask the user to key in some values. Alright. So, let's remove all this. Okay. Let's start fresh. Alright. So, save this and we refresh. Okay. So, let's declare a variable, some variables. Okay, var name, maybe age, and we need salary. Okay, 3 is enough. So now, instead of hard coding the value, I'm going to ask the user for the value. Alright, so in order to ask the user for a value, I have to use a prompt box. Okay, a prompt box. So let me show you how it works. Name is the variable. So I prompt, and I put a question for the user, ataupun or I put a statement for the user. Please enter your name. Okay, and then I put comma, brackets, semicolon. Alright, so whatever that the user enter will be put into this particular variable. Alright, this one is to get the value, take the value and save it here, and then I can use document.write or alert to display the name on the screen. Okay, let's try this. So save, refresh. Oh, this is a prompt box. Okay, so can you see this? This is actually whatever that you have written here will be displayed there, and there is a small text box here for you to fill up your name. So let's say I put Usha. Okay, so I put OK, and then I have Usha here based on the document.write statement. Alright, now what is this for? Okay, actually you don't need this. Alright, so let's run this again. Okay, so you can put your words here. Okay, sometimes there will be an undefined value here if you didn't put anything there. Okay, this is actually for default value. Okay, this place is actually for a default value. If let's say I put Ali, right? Okay, so if I save this and then I run, this value that I put here will be here. Okay, so if you don't want anything to be there, either you can remove the whole thing or you can remove just this. Just leave it as space in between, and this will be cleared and it is ready for you to key in your value. Okay, so let's try one more. Okay, this one is null because you did not put in any values. So let's ask for the salary. So I'm going to copy this, paste it here, and then salary, and then please enter your salary. Okay, for salary, because salary is a number, alright, salary is a number, so I would prefer a default value, something like this. This is for like numbers, so I want to have as 0. Okay, so for my document.write, I can put hi, this particular person, plus again, open, full stop first, your salary is, close, plus, salary, and then I can put to fixed. Remember guys, JavaScript is case sensitive. Okay, JavaScript is case sensitive. So make sure your spelling is correct. This particular F must be capital letter. Alright. So it will say, hi, whatever name that I put here. Your salary is whatever salary that I put here. Okay. So this is coming from here. This one is actually coming from here. But I make it nicer. I put to fixed to. For name, I don't have to put to fixed lah, because name is not a number. Okay. So refresh this. First thing, they are asking for my name. So Usha. There will be a second prompt. Can you see the default value? So let's say my salary is 120. So okay. And did you notice there is an error here? Okay. So let's find out where the error is. Okay. So if I run this, okay, if I run this, put in your name, okay, enter, put in salary, right, and nothing is happening, right? So there's an error here. Let's fix it. Now, this is salary, okay. Remember guys, whatever things that you take from a prompt box, even though it is a salary, the system doesn't know that it is a number. Okay, whatever that you take from a prompt box will be taken as a text, as a string value. So to fix will not work for this particular text value. You need to convert first. Alright, how to convert? When you take in the value, right, straight away you convert. You can convert by using pass float. Why float? Because salary is currency, right? Currency has decimal places. So that's why we use float. If you want to convert to integer, then you have pass int. INT, capital I. Alright? So because this is a salary, I convert into a floating point number. F must be capital. Okay? So now, this one is a floating point number. I can use this to make it nicer. So save this, refresh. Okay? Again, we put in the value. Okay. Let's put 120. Okay. And then only I get the result. If you do not get any results here, that means you have error in your code. You need to fix it first. Okay. Remember guys, you have prompt to take values from the user. Whatever that you get from the user using a prompt box, it will be taken as a string or text. So if you want to do calculation or you want to use built-in functions, you need to convert first. Name, I don't have to convert because I'm not going to use the name to calculate anything. Okay. Salary, I need to convert. Alright. So convert to float, then only I can display. Okay. So this is one example.